Hey, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and I just wanted to show you some cool new support features that we just launched in our house flipping software. The next time you log into the app, you should see some new interactive tutorials, videos, and tooltips that will help you get acquainted with all of FlipperForce's powerful features. Right now, we're looking at the Repair Estimator tool, which is used to estimate repair costs for your rehab projects. Now, in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll notice a help guide, which has a list of videos and interactive tutorials that will provide tutorials and tips on how to use the Repair Estimator. So let's start with the basics. The Estimator Basics tutorial includes a video tutorial on all of the basics of using the Rehab Repair Estimator, but if you want to see the tips in action, you can click the Take a Tour button, which will take you on an interactive tour of the Repair Estimator. Our interactive tours take you on a virtual tour of all of the important features and functionalities so you can get acquainted with the Repair Estimator and start taking advantage of all the powerful features that can help you estimate repair costs better for your rehab projects. Over the course of the next few weeks and months, as we continue to improve our software, we'll also be building out some new videos and interactive tours. If you have any questions or suggestions on how we can help you better manage your house flipping business, please let us know.